We are back after 3-4 months. Yeah, this is a really nice office complex here. XR13 back there. This is the one that had the repair done. See the tops are sitting underneath it. This train over here is running. Everything's still here at this building, but this time of year is when they start to replace a bunch of them. So this one will be 4 years old this year, and that one will be 3 years old. And the carrier is about 1.5 years now. I'm not sure if it's been running. Doesn't look like it. You can see it's starting to corrode a little bit on the valves there. And how about the quality on the zoom on my new phone? It's not a couple months old. I've had it for a bit. Carrier's running. That's cool. Temp star's starting to lean. Flashback to when I said this time next year it's going to be turned. Yeah. So I always saw like that line. That's bad. Like that is insane. I've never seen something convert so much. Well, that train got replaced. Here's a brand new carrier comfort unit, and this replaces a train XR13. Oh wow, they dropped down a whole ton. This is a 2.5 ton. With the new ICP smell. Here's the old insulation. The logo's over here. That carrier's been running. Man, this looks a lot different now. That was the one that had the panel removed for so long. I think the compressor went out on it. That train is loud. That is ice cold. That looks not a leaky Lennox. This train's low in refrigerant. You can hear how loud it is. That line's cool. They still have not replaced this one, which I'm not quite sure why. Guess they just removed it and maybe nobody's in the office. I don't know. This is a really nice place here. XV13's running. That is pulling a lot of heat. And that one's running too. And they didn't replace the XC1000. Did they fix it? No, they did not fix it. Carrier's been running. Old train closet by Jim. That thing's done. Holy crap, is that thing leaning? That's getting worse every time. Alright, so that's one train down. Sure, it won't be the only one. Man, this pushback seems as tall as the door. Man, That one I've never seen run, ever. This paint will just fade really quick. That one's running. There's this one running. It's working. Oh, this one. That TXV in there is making a lot of noise. This one got a new compressor recently. There's this one which I don't think runs anymore. Old cracker box Eli. And this one also got a new compressor at one point. R32 Daikin unit. And let's see, is everything the same over here? Looks like it. Yes, it is. And it's raining on me if you can't tell. Great. This is great. Absolutely wonderful. Onyx Merit. Pain. And security cookie, I think. Not exactly sure what that is. This pen is 5 years old now, just about. Oh, I heard something kick on over there. This one just shut off. Is that a new motor? Nah. Maybe. No, it's rusty. Can't be a new motor. Somehow this paint is still around. Crystal, original crystal. You know what? It says 208.99. It's frozen again. It always does that. Not anymore. But I think this is what kicked on. So wow, they've only replaced one so far. But that'll change. This one replaced another XR that died prematurely. And this replaced a 1000, this replaced an 800. Just kicked on. Ice cold already. Those good ones. They're sure aging. This train kicked on and oh god, I love this thing. I'm surprised this thing's still working. It's pulling a lot of heat up. It's cold and sweaty. There's that pain down there. Yeah, I'd say it keeps tilting every year worse and worse, so just put a few rubber feet under that and it'll be good to go. This paint right here is done. That's how long. No, this one kicked on. This one cycled off. This off is 234. Lennox cycled off. But yeah, it looks a lot different here. I'm used to seeing that train poke over this one, but not anymore. It's just been running. No. It has 410A.